What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to show you how you can get keys in Geometry Dash. This is going to be very quick and easy, so let's start. One of the primary ways to acquire keys in Geometry Dash is by actively engaging with the game's levels. As you progress through different levels, you have the opportunity to earn keys as rewards. The number of keys you receive can vary based on the difficulty of the level you complete. This method not only challenges your skills but also incentivizes you to explore and conquer a variety of obstacles with the game to unlock additional content and features. Another avenue to obtain keys is through daily chests and Jet Dash Office chests. These chests provide players with the chance to claim keys as rewards for logging in and actively participating in the game. By regularly checking and opening these chests, players can accumulate keys that contribute to their overall progression and enjoyment of Geometry Dash. For a more substantial key rewards, players can aim to complete a diamond-related level at the highest difficulty. Doing so will grant you a key from the weekly diamond chest, which refreshes on a weekly basis. This presents a challenge for players to test their skills on demanding levels while offering a rewarding incentive in the form of keys that can be used to unlock new content or features within the game. Within Geometry Dash, the Treasure Room provides an interactive space where players can spend diamonds to open various chests. These chests may contain keys among other rewards, offering players a chance to acquire keys through a different gameplay mechanics. By strategically managing your resources and exploring Treasure Room, you can potentially obtain keys that enhances your gameplay experience and progression in the game. Checking and pursuing achievements in Geometry Dash can also lead to the acquisition of keys. Certain achievements within the game offers keys as rewards for completing specific tasks or reaching significant milestones. By actively engaging with these challenges and objectives, players can not only showcase their skills but also earn keys that contribute to their overall success and achievement in Geometry Dash. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.